In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create NFT art with Canva. By the end, you'll have a custom NFT artwork designed in Canva, exported as a high-quality PNG, and ready to upload to your NFT marketplace. First, open Canva. You can use the desktop app or a web browser. Wait for the home screen to load so you can start a new design. Next, click Create a Design. This opens Canva's design options so you can set the exact size for your NFT art. Select Custom Size. In the size fields, enter 1080 by 1080 and make sure the unit is set to pixels. A square canvas, like 1080 by 1080 pixels, is a good, high-quality format for NFT art and fits most marketplaces well. Confirm to create your canvas. Choose a blank canvas or a template. If you pick a blank canvas, you'll start from scratch. If you choose a template, it will load with pre-made layout, colors, and fonts that you can customize. Either way, you'll be able to edit every element on the screen. Add elements, illustrations, all shapes, and text. From the left sidebar, open Elements to insert geometric shapes, lines, icons, and graphics. Search for illustrations that match your style, then click to add them to the canvas. Open Text to add headings or artistic typography. Click and drag to position everything, and use the corner handles to resize. Keep an eye on the alignment guides to maintain balance and symmetry. Customize colors, gradients, and effects. Select any shape or illustration. Then use the color picker on the top bar to switch to your brand or palette colors. For gradients, search Gradient in Elements to drop in ready-made gradient panels, then recolor them as needed. For text, open the font menu to choose a typeface that fits your theme, and adjust size, letter spacing, and line height for readability. Apply filters, transparency, or effects for uniqueness. With a photo or illustration selected, open Edit Photo to try filters and adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. Use the transparency slider to blend layers and create depth, especially with overlapping shapes or textures. For text or graphics, open effects to add shadows, glows, or outlines that help your NFT art stand out without clutter. Add multiple layers or elements for complexity. Duplicate elements to build patterns, stack shapes to form new compositions, and arrange the order of layers so key features sit on top. You can fine-tune by nudging elements with your arrow keys for precise placement. Keep your focal point clear and leave some negative space so the design doesn't feel crowded. Preview your design. Zoom out to see the full composition and check edges for any elements that are accidentally cut off. Make sure text is legible and colors look intentional. If something feels off, make quick adjustments to spacing, alignment, or scale. Take a final look to confirm the artwork matches your intended NFT style. Click Share, then choose Download. This opens the export settings for your file. Select PNG, which is recommended for NFTs. PNG preserves image quality and supports transparency, which is useful for layered or cutout effects. Leave other settings as they are unless you specifically need a transparent background for your design. Click Download. Canva will prepare the file and save it to your device. Wait for the download to finish so you have the full-resolution PNG ready to use. Upload your artwork to your NFT marketplace. Open your marketplace in a new tab, find the Upload or Create listing area, and select the PNG you just exported from Canva. Follow the on-screen prompts there to attach your artwork to your NFT listing. Your NFT art is now created in Canva, exported as a PNG, and uploaded to your NFT marketplace, ready for listing or minting based on the marketplace's process. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.